In this tutorial, we will learn loop and switch case together. File, click on New, File New, F2 for save as while switch dot c. Okay. In this tutorial, we will do switch case program using while loop, right? Suppose take one menu driven program to calculate railway fare. Has include stdio.h, has include conio.h, int main, integer kilometer, rate, total, choice, clear screen, CLR is here, printf, enter 1 to calculate fare and 0 for exit. Scanf %d %ch. Now we are taking while ch not equals to 0, now take ch2, choice 2, printf, enter 1 for fare from 1 for Howrah to Uluberia and 2 for Uluberia to Howrah. Scanf %d %ch2. Now take the switch case ch2 as the input. Case 1, printf, enter distance in kilometers, scanf %d %kilometer, printf, enter fare per 10 kilometers, scanf %d %rate, total equals to write into kilometer. Printf Howrah to Uliuberia, distance is %d and fare is %d and total fare is %d kilometer rate total kilometer rate comma total holo. Now press break. Again we are taking same for the case 2 for the return. Case 2 and paste it. Uluberia to Howrah. Uluberia to Howrah. Right? Default printf wrong choice. Get ch return 0. Now two bracket, one for while loop, another for int main, right? Take save the program, press Ctrl F9. Enter 1 for calculate fare and 0 for exit. Press 1. Enter 1 for Howrah to Uluberia, 2 for Uluberia to Howrah. Enter distance in kilometers. Enter fare per 10 kilometer. So fare is 1000. Not true. That will be kilometer. Where kilometer by 10. So here inter distance will be fare per kilometer, per 10 kilometer, not per kilometer. Here also fare per kilometer, right? Here, what is that? Fare per kilometer, not 10 kilometer, right? So again save it. Acha. We have to go to the case. Another case should be there. This is the case 1. While, okay, so 1 to calculate the fare. Now 1 Howrah to Uluberia, distance in kilometer 100, fare per kilometer 1. So total distance is 100, fare is 1 and total fare is 100. ठीक है? Then we are taking another 1 to calculate fare, 2 for Uluberia to Howrah, distance in kilometer 90 kilometer, fare suppose 2. So total fare should be 180, right? Now if I want to exit, I am pressing 0. It will be exit automatically, right? Because here I am selecting while switch not equals to 0. If not equals to 0, then the loop will be executed. If 0, no loop will be executed. totally go out of the program, right? So if we press 0, it will be out of the program. Okay? If we press another key, so then it will go to the inner loop. Enter the distance in kilometer, so say 50 kilometers, and fare is 2 rupees. So your fare is 100. So if you want to return, so 1 press 2, distance is 40 kilometers, suppose fare 3. So your fare is 120 kilometers. So it will perform the railway fare calculator program using while loop and the switch case together. Okay? All of you understand? Okay, thank you.